Hey you. Yeah, you. Are you tired of looking basic? Are you tired of that old jacket that you've had for years and you feel like you're not going on style? Yes! And you feel like you're not trending and you're not in style? Throw that book away, get up and follow this DIY. Yes, tell me how. No more basic. No more basic.
Maria, Maria, she remind me of a West Side Story.
Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, stop right there. I'm gonna give you a minute to subscribe because you don't want to miss out on my future videos. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. I talk with my hands. It's an Argentine thing, as you could tell. But anyways, guys, the summertime is coming and I love denim. I love wearing denim in like a windy or like a breezy or even nighttime or just in the summertime. I just love to have a jacket. I can never be without a jacket. Even if it's like 100 degrees outside, I have to have a jacket. So I love wearing denim, and I had this denim jacket. It's mud. I had 2 of them. And they've been sitting around in my closet and I haven't used them because I just felt like they're so simple, so plain. So I wanted to spice up the look and make it a little bit more trendy, more sexy. So I'm going to show you guys how to add rips and distress the jacket a little bit to make it more stylish. And also off topic, you guys, and it is nighttime. I absolutely have no makeup on except for my brows and lips because I didn't want to scare you guys. I'm trying this new cream that I'm using for my face, actually more around my eye area. It's like an anti-aging cream because I'm getting traumatized of aging and I don't want wrinkles. Like, I'm terrified of wrinkles, and I have some. I've noticed that I had some like right here. I don't know if you guys could see it. Let me see. Sorry, you guys could see like every zip and blackhead possible, but like looks like a crow sat on my eyes, like crow's feet, really bad. And they're like my laugh wrinkles that I get, you know, and it's normal, I guess, but it's just traumatizing me. And it was much worse, and honestly this cream is doing wonders. It's working magic. So if you guys are interested in this cream and want to know what it is, I'm giving it a try still, so that's why I haven't made a video. Let me know in the comments below, or message me, comment me, follow me on social media. Don't be afraid to ask. So with that being said, let's hop onto the video. Enough jibber jatter. You know, I always like to do that in the beginning of my videos. I just talk a lot, so yeah. Let's go, guys. This is how I did my jackets. Alright guys, so this is the before of the jacket. Yeah, it's pretty simple, pretty basic. It had a few rips, actually like 2, but they're quite small and not noticeable. But yeah, this is the before look. 0 rips, just a little bit in the front, like barely, but it's not like distressed like how I want it. So next I'm going to grab my phone and I'm going to look at some Pinterest photos and see how I want my jacket to be, you know, get inspired. So here's Pinterest. I'm looking at a few jackets that I like, getting some ideas so you guys can know where to get your ideas from. Alright, so you're going to want to start by pinching out your jacket like this on both sides and see where you're going to want your cuts to be. And I'm just pinching, making sure that the bottom isn't attached, because then you're going to cut both ends of your jacket. Once you've secured that it is not on the other side and you're cutting just one side of the sleeve, you could go ahead and start your trimming. Or should I say snipping, cutting, whatever. And then you separate them and the cuts are going to look something like this. Yep, pretty basic, pretty easy. Then you're going to want to grab the side of the cut part, how it looks dull and plain, and you're going to start plucking with your tweezers. And you're going to pluck the white hairs, the white threads, until you could see enough blue threads sticking out sideways, if that makes sense. I'm going to have this more detailed on my blog post if you guys want to check that out, www.justnanimar.com. But yeah, here I am plucking the blue hairs now. Why do I keep saying hairs? Here I am plucking the blue threads. there's a better look. These are the ones that we're going to want to be plucking. Yep. Okay, you guys, as you guys can start seeing, the white threads are starting to show, and these are the ones that we want to remove, those blue hairs. Threads, sorry. And just keep on repeating, pluck all the little blue ones, see how it shows a little bit clearer now. This is exactly what you want to do during the whole entire process. Pretty simple, pretty basic, and this is how it's turning out, you guys. Just repeat that until you've reached the bottom. Oh, and I'm cutting the long excess string a little bit short. But yeah, you just want to keep repeating and we're good to go. I'm hopping on to the next pattern now, and on this one what I want to do is pluck out the white threads and leave the blue ones sticking out as much as possible. This time I'm not going to pluck the blue threads. I'm going to keep them there so it could look fancy and fuzzy, if that makes sense. I'm just removing the white hairs, so just like this. And I'm not going to remove any of the blue ones this time, and I'm going to do one side like this and then the other with the white threads. And then you're going to want to do the same to the other plain side, which is this one. Pluck out the white hairs, pull them out, pluck them until you have the feathery blue threaded look. I wanted to do it this way because I want a pattern. I don't want it to all look like white threads. I want it to look more, I don't know, patternish, trendy. I feel like it'll look weird with all the white threads. It'll look too ripped and distressed. But like this, it makes it look fancy, you see? It's not too much. So now I'm going to keep doing patterns. One thread, one blue, one thread, one blue. Alright guys, so I wanted to try the jacket on, and as you could see, I failed because I did the cuts wrong. I wanted them right there where I pointed out, but I didn't. So I grabbed just an old eyeliner, and I'm going to mark with the jacket on where I want the rips to be, which should have been the first step. I do apologize. But hey, you guys, we learn from our mistakes, so that's a good thing that I showed you guys this video. Hopefully none of you guys started watching the video. So yeah, I'm marking all the areas where I want my rips to be instead of marking them when the jacket is down and I'm not wearing it, because obviously when you put it on, it's going to look different. But I don't care. It doesn't look as bad having those rips there, but I just wish they were a little bit more noticeable. But it doesn't matter. I have the exact same jacket, 2 of these, so this was my practice one. I definitely do recommend you guys to practice on something before attempting. Alright, so now I have all my areas marked. You see how that one looks all like perfect, but actually it's supposed to be right there on the crease, because that's where it's going to be in the middle. See, I already ripped this area out, so I'm going to grab my scissors and I'm going to cut the arm. And it's okay if you go through both sides because this is the front part, and the back I already pulled it out from behind. And you just repeat the steps that I just showed you in the beginning process. Alright you guys, so now you just want to pull it out, those little areas, and we're going to repeat the whole process all over again, plucking the white threads to start off and so we can see the blue ones clearly. And once we see the blue one clear enough so we could pluck, we start pulling the blue and no more whites. Stick to the blue. And so on. And then you do the opposite and do just whites and not the blues. Alright guys, here you have it. This is a finished look. Sorry I didn't take a video of the finished look. I was in a hurry. But here you go. Hope you liked it. Oh shoot, the video's over. Alright, sorry guys, I didn't even notice. So, if you guys like that, if you have any questions on how I did that, then definitely don't be afraid to freaking ask me. Don't be shy, I don't bite, only sometimes. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching my channel, and until next time. Bye. Bye.